Hey guys, this is Jae Baek and this is my friend Jae Jun Han. We're here at Woodbridge High School, first time visited in theater to see musical play. And so we are usually from Northwood High School students, but they just came here from the theater. And JL, Here Comes the Sun, the Puppet Tales movie is also out now on Vimeo. You can get it out. You can get it on as well. And also, be sure to check out look out for new music video of Surrender. Nothing in this world can satisfy. So as well as also all the countries coming up. So thank you for your support, everybody. So we'd like JJ to come in for here. Yeah, well, thank you for your support. Be sure to check out everything about YouTube and online Facebook and all that stuff. Thank you for your support and good night, everybody.